Hello and welcome to another exploit videos. So today we'll be doing the navigation walkthrough. Hopefully this will help you. I don't know how your one here will be set up. So yeah, as you can see, we've still got quite a few to get through. So we have quite a few videos to do about it. This module normally takes Linux Foundation. Yeah, Foundation takes normally 2 days, it says. What I realized when you read through all these scripts, thinking, oh, okay, I understand what I need to do next. Sometimes it turns out it's going to ask you completely different things what you need to do. So hopefully you already set up your spawn box and you have your IP, your SSH staged into here. If you don't know how to do it, it is basically SSH, right? Type space student at the IP address, then press enter. If it says some other things, then press yes, type it out, and then type in the password, which is here. So hopefully you know how to do that anyway. So what we're going to do here is what is the name of the hidden history file in the hack the box user home directory. So what we're going to do earlier, if you have read everything, you know about the ls-la. So we're going to do cd. Right, so where are we? pwd. Okay, cd. Cool. So what we're going to do first, we're going to do ls. Right, and that doesn't show really a lot. So we're going to try ls work a. It shows some of our stuff, right? So this is where we are. Apparently the dot, like it said. But what we want is also ls-la. So we even have the hidden files. So this, actually, when I copied it and pasted it here, and I submit, it says wrong answer. Quite times I had to refresh the page and it worked. Basically, what it is dot bash underscore history. It's literally as simple as that. You just type in ls space dash la and you have it there, or you can do ls space dash a and you'll have it as what's going on. There we go. As you can see here earlier when we just did ls dash a. So we're going to go to the next. So that's your answer. Submit it. What is the index number of the sudoers file in Etsy dictionary? So you think, oh, okay, cool, I'll go to Etsy. So we do cd whack Etsy, right? Then we're going to do ls, and you're going to be like, oh, okay, let me know. Where is it? It'll be somewhere here, right? But no, what you're going to have to do is not as this. The funny thing is, it doesn't even tell you the other things, which is quite annoying. But what we can do, if you're stuck on this one, we can do ls whack etc. Can you like type? Thank you. I don't know why it's so laggy recently. It's just been very laggy. I might have to run some scans on my computer. I A. Right, and then we have it here. So now we look for sudoers. So there we go. We have them here. So your answer is going to be this, right? I copied and pasted and it says this incorrect, which is wrong. It should be correct. It says 147627. So I copy that and I'll post it in here. After I did that, then it says wrong answer. I typed it in, refreshed the page, typed it in again, and it worked. So hopefully this video have helped you. This is the 2 questions for the navigation module. And we'll see you guys in the next one. And the next one we'll be doing is working with files and dictionaries. Directories, or however you call it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching Exploits.